Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SmartThings to monitor energy usage, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have a compatible SmartThings device set up. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. If you do not have the app installed, download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, select Get Started to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Next, read and agree to the terms and conditions. You may also be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from SmartThings. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Return to the SmartThings app and log in with your email and password. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Now, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select device from the list of options. Choose the type of device you want to monitor energy usage for. Follow the prompts to connect your device to the SmartThings app. Once connected, your device will appear in the dashboard. Tap on the device to access its settings. Look for the energy usage or power consumption option. Enable energy monitoring features if they are not already activated. You can now view real-time energy usage data displayed on your screen. Use the app to set energy usage limits and receive notifications. This will help you manage your energy consumption effectively. Periodically check the data to track changes in your energy usage over time. You can also explore additional features to optimize your energy management. With everything set up, enjoy monitoring your energy usage through SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.